Hey everyone, welcome to a really quick Mike's Militaria product update, restock notification, and new product notification. So, even though I'm still recovering from the operation stuff and I want to remain hernia free, I'm still wheeling and dealing, snagging some really cool surplus deals whenever they pop up and present themselves. I got a bunch more of these Czechoslovakian Vz.80, the Model 80 medical kits. I'm just going to show you really quick if you haven't seen these guys before. I'm just going to open this one up random from stock. They're fantastic kits. They've got this canvas covered kind of plastic material, so they're water resistant. They're built really tough. You get the log book up in here usually, this little notebook thing. Pretty interesting. So this one's dated whatever. Let's see if there's any writing in it. Nope. So that's just kind of your log book or notebook or messages or whatever. And some of them have different contents. Contents are going to vary. I'm trying to make this video really quick. That's why I'm talking fast. So this one's got the intubating thing, which I wouldn't recommend using, but it's still got a little pencil for marking on there. Bandages. Some have more bandages than others, and you pop this open, you've got more bandages. You got tape. I'll just tip this up. That's the contents of a random one that I drew. And yeah, you got a little bar of soap even here, a little disinfectant soap, which is pretty interesting. Some of them have different things. This thing's got 2 things of tape, some tourniquets, splints, or whatever. Bandages galore. So these kits are extremely popular. Every time I get these in, they don't last long. And I just wanted to let you know, like with any surplus, all good things come to an end. I bought one of the suppliers out of these, and I bought my other supplier in Europe out of theirs a while ago, and that shipment is still held up in customs with no ETA, which is really fun for me. You know, waiting on the government's always a blast, and it's always very efficient, very quick moving, as you know. But anyway, so once these are gone, after I get that order or that batch from that order that's still stuck in customs, these are gone indefinitely. I don't have any more sources for these, and I don't think they're going to be around anymore. So get one while the getting's good, and you can. Next one, I got a bunch of East German AK slings. Haha, I know you guys were whatever. Anyway, yeah, so obviously this is mine. This is not for sale. But the slings, these nice 1-inch, these are the original ones. These aren't the later ones that came out for like the SKS and stuff. These are the original nylon slings that can actually be put on any weapon. These are only 1 inch wide, which I like better. It's a lot more low profile and it doesn't get in the way. They're very lightweight. The ones I have are in excellent to what I would call unissued condition. They come with the 2 buckles. And they can be put on many different weapons platforms. I kept several for myself just because of their ease of use and their practicality. They're very hard to find nowadays. You can find the newer ones that have like the hook on it, but these 1 inch wide, low profile ones with the 2 buckles are extremely hard to find. I managed to find a little hidey hole that's got some of these, so those are also available on the site. All right, that is all I've got. That's why I'm wearing the hodgepodge, the kind of weird, uniform. You're like, well, the Czechs aren't communists, but the East Germans are. Haha. It's a fun uniform, but that's why I got the Czechoslovakian kits or Czech kits. They used them after the communist thing went away. But anyway, I digress. I'll keep this short. AK slings, East German, very hard to get. I'm the only one that I know of that has these right now. And then those Czechoslovakian Vz.80 medical kits. Have at it. I'll put the link to the website up in the description, and hopefully you can get one before they're all gone. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.